And welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the 2021 Plus Hyundai Sonata N-Line and how to install the Hyundai N throttle body spacer. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Remove the engine cover. Remove the air snorkel. Remove the bung on the intake pipe. Unscrew bolt and release clamps. Remove charge pipe. Unbolt the air box. Loosen hose clamps on the intake pipe. Remove the air box. Loosen hose clamp and slide down clamp. Disconnect recirculation hose. Loosen hose clamp and slide up. Remove the recirculation hose. Depress spring clips on throttle body charge pipe and disconnect. Disconnect wire harness on throttle body. Remove throttle body mounting bolts. Remove the stock throttle body. Use provided hardware to reinstall throttle body with Boomba spacer, O-ring facing out. Reconnect wire harness. Reconnect charge pipe to throttle body. Reconnect recirculation hose from charge pipe to intake. Resecure with hose clamps. Reinstall the air box. Secure hose clamp on intake pipe. Tighten down nut to secure air box. Reconnect charge pipe. Make sure the clips click into place. Reinstall bolt to secure charge pipe. Reinsert sensor bung. Reinstall air snorkel. Reinstall engine cover. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.